but I'm back, baby. New and improved. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jen coming at you with another video. So today's video is, I've got my notes here guys, is a tips for freshers video. As you can probably see from the title. So I know a lot of people start uni this week. My uni went back last week was freshers week at my university. We start back earlier than everyone else. So I thought, why not think of the best things, the best tips for people on Freshers Week to know so that they're not too unprepared. So I decided to make this video. So I think we're just going to get into it really fast. The first tip number one I have written is go to the Freshers Fair. Now, everyone does go to the Freshers Fair, but I know some people are like, oh, it's a waste of time, I don't need to do it. You know, it's just a bunch of societies trying to get me to sign up. Yes, it is that, but it's also a lot of companies. You'll have Amazon, you'll have Wilco, Wagamama, what else was there? Nando's we had, and they are like giving you the opportunity to win free stuff, free food, you know, discounted Amazon Prime because you're a student, and you might get a free goodie as well. Wilco were giving out a little goodie bag, and it had such random stuff in there, but I had a wooden spoon, like lip gloss or something like that, shampoo, hair mousse, body wash, and it's like, this is so random, but you actually end up using all the stuff that they give you. Also, Freshers Fair, you can literally go in with nothing and come out with a pencil case and more than enough paper to last you the whole of your degree. Not degree, but the whole of first year. You get so many freebies that you will use, so I definitely recommend it, and get as much as you can. It's also a good time to go and see like all the different societies that the university has and get a feel for what you like, what you don't like, and sign up if you're interested. Only sign up if you're interested. Don't let any society force you into signing up. My tip number two, which I feel like people know but then they forget, and this is, make sure you have enough money to cover you for Freshers Week, because people assume as soon as they get into uni, as soon as they move into halls or wherever they're staying, that student finance just drops the money in your account, and it doesn't work like that. You only get your money from student finance once you enroll, so once you get your ID card. Now, because if you think about it, some unis have like 30,000 students, 20,000, there's probably unis that have way more, but they're not going to enroll everyone at the same time. So you might have your enrollment on Friday. So you're not going to get your loan money or your maintenance money, whatever money you're getting from student finance, you're not going to get that until you enroll on Friday. So what are you going to do for Monday to Thursday? Because you're going to have no money. So you need to make sure you're prepared. You have money for when you want to go out in Freshers Week, do a bit of shopping for food, because you're not going to just sit there and twiddle your thumbs for 4 days, unless that's what you want to do. But just make sure you have money, just because your student finance doesn't come in straight away, and a lot of people are relying on that. So 3 is be prepared when it comes to enrollment and just life at uni. So a lot of people, you're going to spend basically 3 months at uni. You may occasionally go home, but you have to think about what you need. What you would have at home, you need that in university to live your life. So when you come to uni, for enrollment, you're going to need ID, so driver's license or a passport. So you're going to need to have that. You're also going to need, maybe you might need passport size pictures. For other stuff, other documents that you need, make sure you bring your student finance sheet that they give you. They send you like a sheet in the post telling you how much money you're going to get for your maintenance and how much you're getting for your loan, because that verifies that you're actually getting money. Also, you're going to need information like, you know, stuff for your doctors, because a lot of people, you're not going to have time to go to the doctors back home. You're going to have to set up a new account with a new GP surgery or uni practice, which means you're going to need documents to verify who you are, your injection records. Basically, the last bit of what I was saying cut off, but I'm just saying that make sure you're prepared, because you might need to know your injection records. Have you had the HPV? Have you had TB jab? Have you had tetanus jab? Have you had, you know, you need to know what you've had, so that when you sign up to your new practice, there's not any vaccinations that you've missed out. So yeah. Okay, my next thing is, don't overload it on the parties. Some people, as soon as they get to university, you know, Freshers Week, party. Now, you can have fun in Freshers Week. I'm not saying don't go out at all, no. But I think pick and choose your parties, because a lot of them are rubbish. Number one, like, you go out and waste money. Number two, you can't be doing party every day. Like, your body physically cannot handle it. Unless you're Superman, your body will collapse the next week. The next week you'll be sick, you'll be blowing nose in lecture, you'll be stuck in bed, no one to take care of you because you're at university. And you know, half of us are ill prepared, so when it comes to you being sick, you don't have anything, no Lemsip, no honey and lemons in the fridge, because you want to be doing pizza and party every day. So I think pick and choose where you want to go when it comes to parties. And I mean, there's parties throughout the whole year. You can definitely go to parties throughout the year. They tend to be better than the parties in Freshers Week. And you're at uni for 3 years. You can do Freshers every year for 3 years if you want to. So if you miss out on one party, that same party will be there next year, Freshers. No one needs to know that you're not Fresher. To be honest, half the time I see third years going into Freshers Fair, Freshers events, just getting most of it, because it's the last year, you know. You've got to get ahead while you are get ahead. That's not right. You've got to get in everything before you become a fully fledged adult, and student discount don't count anymore. So you have time, guys, but just use your time wisely, especially when it comes to partying, because you don't want your body to collapse on you in the first week. Alright guys, so the next one is Freshers 15 and Freshers Flu. My chair's creaking, I'm sorry. So let's start with Freshers Flu. Now, everyone hears about Freshers Flu, but you'd never think you're going to get it. I didn't think I was going to get it, because I think in Freshers Week I went out about 2 times, probably. I think, yeah, 2. I went to Freshers Ball, and I think I went out 3 times. One of the nights I went out and I came back home before 1 o'clock, because I said that party was a zoo party, you know, people dressed up as animals. I don't do that stuff, so no. But I thought, you know, listen, I'm eating good. Like, I was eating my veggies. Well, I wasn't really, but I thought I was eating my veggies. I'm having 3 meals a day, and I haven't been out loads, so I'm fine. No, it doesn't work like that. Freshers Flu, everyone will get it, because number one, you're around all these people. Some people don't have good hygiene skills, so you're going to catch it from them. Whatever they have, you're going to get it. Also, when you go out, you're not dressed appropriately. You know, you might not have a scarf on your neck, or when you go out clubbing, you just think, oh, I don't need coat, I don't need bag, I don't need nothing, I'm just going out. So you're out in a dress, no flipping arms on the dress, no nothing, and it's like, what, 7 degrees outside, but you think, oh, I'm bad, you know, party time, I'm gonna get hot in the party. Yes, you're gonna get hot in the party, but when you come out of the heat, you have to go into the cold. So that tends to be where you mess up. So when I got Freshers Flu, I think I got it like, not the second, I think I got it like the 3rd week of uni. It was where I had classes every day. I wasn't sleeping well. I don't think I was eating the right foods either. And I literally, my body just gave up on itself. And when I was coming home on the weekends to work as well, when I came home one weekend, I just came home and went straight to bed, and my mum got really worried. I'd lost my voice, I couldn't breathe, Like my nose was fully blocked, my eyes, my whole face was like swollen, my eyes were constantly watering, and my whole body just ached. And that was what Freshers Flu was. And I thought, if this is Freshers Flu, I'm not ready to give birth. Like, honestly, my whole body shut down. It said no. It said, Genevieve, you cannot. So just make sure you're prepared for Freshers Flu, because most people will get it. Make sure you have the Lemsip, the honey and lemon, and the garlic and the ginger all stacked up in your, like, you're ready. Because when you feel the little tickle in your throat, swallow that garlic, swallow that ginger, make the honey and lemon, because you know you want to try and I mean, you probably, it still will go into full-blown Freshers Flu, but you want to do as much as you can to stop it. Make sure you wear a coat when you go out on a night out. Make sure you have a scarf on, dress warm, dress for the weather. Just because you want to be showing off your outfit for Instagram and for any uni boys that will not be husband, like, honestly, just don't. The next, oh, and then Freshers 15. Now, I didn't know about this until I googled it, but Freshers 15 is the £15, is the 10 to £15. It depends on who you are. It's basically the weight that you put on. Freshers 15, was it Freshers 5? No, it's like Freshers 15, I believe. I will correct myself down below if it's wrong, but Freshers 15 is the weight that you put on. Now, I didn't even realise I had put on weight until the end of first year. That's when I looked at myself and I said, no. I think there was an outfit that I used to wear and I couldn't fit into it. It's because, you know, the free food that you get at Freshers Fayre, like the free vouchers for Pizza Hut, Nando's, you're not eating right when you're at uni, you're not eating veggies. I wasn't exercising enough, like how I used to, and I put on the pounds. Like, I don't know, I'm going to see if I can try and find pictures of me in my first year. But I didn't take a lot of pictures because I feel like I consciously knew I was putting on weight and my face was huge. Everything was just puffy. I put on the weight. So definitely be aware of Freshers 15. Try and get your exercise in. Fresh fruit, fresh veg, and combat the fat. I mean, you will eventually, everyone puts on weight in their first year. Like, unless you're an athlete, you will put on weight, but you just got to be prepared to burn those pounds and fat and rolls off. Okay guys, my camera's dying, so we're going to try and do these next ones too quick. I've only got 2 things left. So the next thing is student discounts. Since I've become a student, I don't think I've paid for anything full price apart from groceries. I will always find a discount. So, I mean, the best things for discount are uni days, student beans, NUS. I know there's a couple others, but those 3 were the main ones I use. I now just use uni days and student beans. Also, just showing your ID card works in a lot of shops. Just, do you know what, wherever you go, like, don't be embarrassed to say, do you do student discount? The worst thing they can say is no. Like, okay, no, we don't do student discount. But most places do. I know the shop that I work in does student discount. We do 10%. And, you know, 10% might not be a lot, but you're still saving money. So definitely get a hold of as many discounts as you can and just use them. I mean, the NUS one is good, but you do have to pay. I can't remember if the price has gone up, but when I got mine I paid £12. It might be more, and I think it's called Totem now or something like that. Uni days is free, student beans is free. You've just got to verify that you're a student with your student email address, which is, like, it's not hard to do. So definitely, I mean, you will save so much money just from having a student discount, and you might not think that it's much, but the money you save, I think as you get older and you realise, in 3rd year, you'll realise, crap, I'm not going to be able to do student discount anymore because I'm not a student. But yeah, so my last one, and this is the most important tip, because everyone wants to be doing takeaway, but learn how to cook. Y'all, you better can cook, because do you know what, even if it's one dish, even if you learn spaghetti bolognese and that's all you make for the year, that's a good meal. Learn how to cook. You need to be the master of at least one dish. Everyone can fry an egg, but you're not going to be eating egg every day. You need to have one meal that you know you can cook. I think, I had like 3 meals I know I could cook. Like curry chicken and rice. I could cook my spaghetti bolognese if I wanted to. What else was there? I mean, I can cook, like I can make a stir fry. You know, just simple things. You don't want to be doing oven pizza, oven chicken nuggets, chicken Kievs in a packet. You don't want to be doing that. You don't want to be doing packet food. You want to be cooking from scratch, getting as much natural, fresh veg, whatever. But make sure you can cook, because eventually you will starve if you can't. And I've seen it firsthand. In my foundation year, when my flatmate could not cook, all he did was eat cereal and eat yogurts. He ate my yogurts, which that's another story, but he literally was surviving on nothing. He'd buy all these oven foods and I don't even think he could cook that. Like half the time they just ended up in the freezer. He never used them. It was toast, cereal, yogurts. That's all he had. And you can't live on that, guys. I'm telling you, you can't live on that. If you want your body to shut down and just kaput, then do that. But honestly, bring a cookbook to uni. If you bring a cookbook, then you know at least there's dishes in there where you know you will be able to make it. Having one cookbook where it has recipes that aren't too fancy, just simple stuff, that will help too. But I feel it's better to just know how to cook a dish, so you don't have to be going through a book trying to get the ingredients right and whatever. You can just chuck in as you please. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. I feel like I rambled on for a lot longer than I planned to, but some of these topics are really close to my heart. If there are any other tips, I feel like there's a lot of tips that I missed out, but this was just for Freshers Week. If you like this video, then please comment, like it, whatever, because I could do more uni videos as I will be at uni. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. I'm getting back into video and I took a really long break and I just needed to, because I was really busy with work and my other work and trying to get into uni, not get into uni, but trying to pack myself and move myself back to uni. So it took up a lot of my time, but I'm back, baby. New and improved. Okay, I'm here. It's not new and it's not improved, but we're getting there. So yeah, love you guys. See you soon. Oh, before I forget, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Jenma. Subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and see ya soon. Bye guys.